And paulit-ulit ko ulit sasabihin sa inyo, ganito yung mindset ng mga Pilipino. Huminto na tayong alamin kung ano yung meron tayo at ano yung pwede nating magawa doon sa meron tayo.
Did you know that in Vietnam, people even have bat farms? At first, it sounds strange, but many farmers build tall huts with bundles of dried palm leaves hanging inside to attract bats to roost. These bundles can be raised or lowered to make cleaning easier and to adjust the space as needed. During the day, the bats hang quietly while sleeping, and at night they fly out to hunt, naturally reducing pests in orchards and rice fields. What's special is that beneath each hut, there's always a large net to catch the bat droppings. This type of manure is highly valuable, called guano, often referred to as the brown gold of agriculture. It's rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and many micronutrients, helping crops grow faster, increase yields, improve poor soil. Thanks to this, bat farmers not only control pests naturally, but also earn a steady income from selling this precious organic fertilizer.
And there you have it. Another way of boosting your income. Cutting the cost by using yung guano itself para maging fertilizer doon sa mga crops mo as a farmer. Ngayon, ang pangit kasi sa Pilipino, yung mga ganitong bagay, mahal na pataba, yung mga problema sa farming, problema sa fisherman, lahat gusto nilang iasa sa gobyerno. As if hindi sila pwedeng mag-aral, mag-upskill, or manood ng mga videos that teach them new skills on how to boost their productivity sa kung ano man yung trabaho nila or line of business nila. It's always, mahina ako, hindi ko na kayang mag-aral, hindi ko na kayang matuto. No. That is just a limiting belief na gustong-gustong ipakain ng mga politiko para maging dependent kayo sa kanila. Para iboto nyo sila ng paulit-ulit. Para malimos kayo every time na magkakaroon ng eleksyon. Sana mag-improve na yung ganitong mindset natin kasi we are capable of improving ourselves. We are capable of becoming better than what we are right now. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.